Hey snowflakes! Here is a quick walkthrough on how I made my Tighnari ears. I cut my ears out in EVA foam and I use wire to hold the shape. Then I add the fur. To color the ears, I use some color pencils dipped in water and a last brush to smooth the color out. I take some leftover worbla to create a headpiece to hold the ears onto the wig. Inside I used a chicken spear for extra support. I have plans to remake this in the future once I have more worbla. Then I made 2 small holes in the wig cap. I then secured the ears onto the worbla piece with contact cement. And this is how I made my Tighnari ears, but since they turned out way too big, I plan on remaking them in the future and make a full tutorial on how to make your own. See you next time!